Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my all new Xbox X series, and it comes with one console and a controller, 1 TB SSD hard disk, and super fast. You can see the details. It's 4K 120 FPS and 8K HDR and 1 TB VRR Blu-ray, and power your dreams. Let's move on. You need to open the 3 labels. Yep, all the way. And here comes the box. And we have the main console over here. Move these, and then this is the main console. Yes, we have the kit. We have the HD cable, direct power connector, and the controller. Let's see. Yeah, it's the controller. It's excellent. Then let's have a look to the main console. Change. Well, overall with this, in this box we get the main console, the joystick controller, and as you see here as well the information, and then the power connector and the HD cable. And this is the main console itself, and we remove these as well. And we have the DVD, Blu-ray DVDs place. That's it. So we'll play and also keep you updated. Hope you liked the video. Please like and share. This is the back side.